Hello everybody. Welcome back for another sketching exercise. As always, we are going to be drawing in MMGS and we're going to open our sketch in the front plane. So if you want to follow along, you can. Excuse me. We are going to start off with a center line or a construction line, and I'm just going to draw it vertically down. It doesn't really matter how far you go. That looks good right there. And then we're going to put in a couple of circles. And the first one that we're going to do is going to have a radius of 21 millimeters. So right about there. And then the next one is going to be a radius of 18 millimeters, but we're going to put it down a little bit from the origin. And we'll come out to about 18. Kind of guesstimate just a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and dimension that. So this one is going to be 42 millimeters in diameter, and this one will be 36. And then since we're in dimensioning, we'll go ahead and set the dimension for this to 2 millimeters, like so. And now we have a fully defined sketch, but we're not done. We've got a few more things to do here. So I'm going to do another construction line, and I'm going to come out to about, I'm just going to kind of guesstimate. That looks good right there. It actually locks us in at 45 degrees, which is what we want. And then I'm going to do another construction line, and this one is going to come down, and it doesn't really matter where we put it. We're just going to kind of guess right there and lock that into place. Now we'll go ahead and dimension both of those right there. And then this one is going to be 15 millimeters, like so. And then what I'm going to do here is we're going to go back into our line tool, and I'm just going to start sketching here what we need. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So I'm going to click right here at that tangent point, and I'm going to come up about 3 millimeters. And then I need to do a radius, and that radius is going to be a radius of 2 millimeters. So we're just going to come out here to get our icon here, and I'm just going to draw out until I get to roughly 2 millimeters. Kind of guessing here, like so, and then we'll just come out, and then we'll do another one right here, and we're just going to kind of lock that in right there. It doesn't really matter at this point, but we are going to dimension a few things here. So we're going to make this a radius of 2 millimeters, and then we're going to make this one a radius of 5. We'll see what that does to us here. And then I'm going to make this line and this line tangent to each other, like so. All right. Looks like we're doing pretty good. And let's see what I'm missing here. If I'm missing anything at all, I don't think that I am. I should have. Those should be tangent already. It is. And then this one is going to be tangent to here. And I got to dimension this right here. And that's going to be till 3 millimeters, like so. So now we're all locked in. Got everything the way we want it. And then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and put in a circle real quick. Before I do anything here, we need a 2 millimeter diameter circle. So we'll just come over here And we're going to go ahead and dimension this to 2 millimeters. That locks that into place. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and do a mirror. Lock that into place. That one and that one. And we're going to mirror it about our center line right here. Hit our green check mark. And then we're going to do some trimming here. Trim that out. Trim that out. Trim that out. And that out. And we still have a fully defined sketch. We're good to go here. And this time we're going to go ahead and extrude this one. So we'll do an extrusion. We're going to go blind. I'm going to reverse the direction. And I'm going to go ahead and make it 2 millimeters. Hit our green check mark. And we have a snap ring. I'm going to go ahead and hide this sketch like so, and we're good to go. So all we got to do now is just save this one. This is going to be chapter 5, so we'll save this as chapter 5, hands-on test drive 3. We'll go ahead and save. Our part is saved and we are done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Should be fairly quick. You have any questions, leave a comment down below or ask me a question in class. I will be happy to help you out. And I'll see you on the next video.